YouTube, we are back with another video. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man. Welcome to the channel if you're new here. Before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button. New channel, let's get it off the ground. I got some great content on the way. I plan on being a lot more consistent on this channel. It's only been 2 days. I have about 4 or 5 YouTube channels right now, but this is like going to be my main focus, and I have one more channel that I run as well. That's pretty much my daily. Besides that, everything else is on the back burner. This is my passion right here, teaching people how to make money, showing you guys different ways in the industry, maybe side hustles for you guys, you know, just how to generate extra money, investments, stuff like that, crypto, stocks. I can go on and on and on. That's like my passion. Cars, everything, anything that has to do with money, investing, that's my passion, and I plan on giving you guys value. All right. So like I said, welcome to the community. I appreciate you guys, man. Make sure you drop a like and drop a comment. Let me know you're new. If you sub up, let me know you sub up so I can get back to you on the comment. I want to be active with you guys and start building a community here. So today we're going to talk about how to make money on Prizepicks. Let's open up the app here. For some of you guys that do know and some of you guys that don't know, Prizepicks is a app, or it's a platform where you can pretty much play player props. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but it's pretty much like sports betting, right? And pretty much it's a way where, you know, I, myself, and a lot of other people bet their own money to pretty much to win money versus, you know, player props and stuff like that. Whether it's, for instance, we have like LeBron James going over points, right? So let me go over here. Let me break it down for you. But before we get started, pretty much, you know, you can see it right here. It's daily fantasy made easy, right? Well, we'll match your first deposit up to $100, right? Of course, I did that. Some of you guys could put 50, and then they're going to match your deposit up to $50. That's how it works. If you put 20, they're going to match it up to 20. You might as well take the 100, start off with a $200 account, and work your way up from there, right? Big payouts. I've seen people make 10,000. The highest I've made was 5,000 on here. I'm not going to cap you and say I've made, you know, crazy amounts of money like everyone else. I do run a community to where, you know, I don't feel like lying is where I'm at with it. So I give you guys actually what I do and, you know, the plays I play and stuff like that. So, yeah, fast, secure withdrawals. I can, you know, pretty much amount to that. I've withdrawn and I've deposited in my account very, very fast. Very, very fast. Support, it's always live for me every time I'm in my account. And I have an issue, which is very, very rare. But when I do, they're right there instantly, right? They have different promos here. We can go right here to the lab. This is new. You guys can invite friends, right? Get a little, pretty much in your account, they'll give you like a credit, right? So let me break it down right here. There's not much on the board. It's All-Star Week for baseball. There's no NBA right now, no NFL. We do have NHL up here sometimes. But as you can see, these are all the sports right now that are available to us right now today, which is very, very light. Usually WNBA, you know, but look, we can go right here for instance. Let's go to hitter fantasy. You guys will know some of these guys, right? So we can go like Manny Machado, for instance, right? We can take Manny Machado, okay? We're going to put him on the board with, doesn't matter, Juan Soto, okay? Right? So the whole point of this, you can't go one player, right? So we're talking about investing. The lowest you can invest for this platform is $5, right? You'll be able to see your payouts. Your payouts are ×2 or ×3. Boom, boom, ×3. But you do ×2 technically. It depends. It depends. But I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to break it down, okay? You could bet a 2-player. You can go boom, boom, 4-player, right? Or 3-player. Let me see, 4-player. And you can put, boom, max 6, right? And then it will tell you max 6 picks allowed, right? So you can go boom, boom. Let's go back to a 2-player so I can show you, right? We got the first 2 on the board. Now you can pick, if you think Manny Machado is going to go over on his hitter fantasy score at 8. See, this is where you guys are going to have to know how to calculate fantasy score and all that, or you're going to have to, you know, figure it out, okay? Juan Soto, same thing. We can take the over. You'll see right here, for $20, you're going to make 60. So like I said, the minimum you could bet is 5, right? You're going to win 15. This isn't, the $5 is included in this 15. So technically you just bet 5 to win $10, which is ×2, which is great, okay? You can bet all the way $100, right? 300. win $300, right? Off a 2-man pick. Let's go back to $5 real quick because you guys are going to find this interesting. As we add people, right, as we add players to the board, watch how the payout changes. Okay? Let me put more. Hold on. What did I just do? Oh, okay. So let me break this down as well. You can go flex play or power play. Flex play, as you can see here, if you get 2 correct, even if you get all 3, right, your payout's only 2.2, right? If you go power play, pretty much all 3 of them have to hit. Difference with the flex play is only 2 have to hit to still win, but you're just taking a lower cut. You're taking a lower payout, right? So a 5 is literally showing you're only going to make $5.25, but you have a higher odds, you have a higher chance of hitting. You know what I'm saying? 2 players versus 3, right? Now, if you go power play, this is all 3 correct. As you can see, your payouts times 5. Big difference, right? So let's go ahead and let's leave power play. I just want to show you how the payout's going to work, right? Okay. On a flex play, right? $5. Now you're winning $20. You just have to get 3 correct out of the 4. But if you go power play, now 5 for 50. Now you're winning $45. Okay. Now let's go up to a 6 play. Okay. Boom, boom. Now it's an automatic flex play. If you hit 4, then you can see the payout's very low. If you get 5 correct, it's times 2. But if you get 6 correct, it's times 25. Right? Now you can see for $5, you're going to make $120, which is amazing for you. It's great profit. And if you do that a couple times a day, you could do the calculations and then times it by that. Like I said, this is just $5. Let's go $20 on a 6-man, right? $20 to win $480. Okay. Now let's put $100. Let's put $100. Now, right? You can win $2,500. Bro, I've hit on this right here. Not this. But it wasn't a 6-man. It was a 5-man when I hit that. But you can go like something like this. Yeah, exactly. Boom. Right? $200 bet, you're winning $5,000. Instant payout. No bullshit. You know what I'm saying? So just, showing you guys how it kind of works. Even with the 4-man right here, $200 to win $1,000. And it's very possible, man, if you know what you're doing, bro, or if you learn and there's people out there who give plays. I give plays myself, if you're comfortable with that, I'll leave my Discord and stuff like that down below. But I'm just letting you guys know this is a good way to invest your money, for me at least, and a lot of people I know who are making money. This is one of the ways out there. I just want to show you guys what the possibilities are, man. You guys could do the math. If you hit on one of those 5-man, you hit 3 times, you're winning like 350, 400. If you times that by, whatever you got to do and times it by the year, and if you get really good at it, I mean, come on, it's there. I'm not going to guarantee you anything. I'm not going to say you're going to make $1 million. I'm not going to say you're making 100,000. I'm just letting you know it's very easy to have a side hustle with this. But you can't get too crazy. There's ways to do it. You got to have a certain dollar amount, and if it's 5, leave it at 5 for everything. If it's 10, leave it at 10. And I'll break that down in another video. I just wanted to give you guys this one. I think this is valuable for you guys. I think you guys are gonna, gain some knowledge off this and understand, because I know you guys have been seeing Prizepicks everywhere, all over games, all over what's it called? Commercials, all everywhere. You know what I'm saying? YouTube now, TikTok, I've seen everywhere, Instagram. So yeah, just, if you guys are new, man, I'm going to drop my link down below too for Prizepicks. If you're trying to get that match up to $100, I'll drop it down below. You guys go ahead and use that. And yeah, man, if you guys got any questions for me, drop a comment down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got much more content on the way. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man. And we'll be back on the next one. We gone.